To a young Joseph Axel, the most technologically advanced piece of machinery he could think of was a tractor. By the time he finished with his university studies, computers were everywhere, and he realized he needed to do one thing.
Integrate technology.
In this video, let's take a look at how to use ChatGPT to create or generate content that is explicitly tailored for one target population. And in this case, I am asking ChatGPT to develop or to write 10 questions using comparative and superlative adjectives using or which ask about vacation preferences. So this is reinforcing a specific grammatical component within English grammar, but also tying in conversation topics, real world conversation topics. And I'm asking ChatGPT to use language that targets a common European framework or CEFR level of B2, which is kind of a high intermediate. It's a little bit higher than my students, but I want something for them to shoot for. I like it when they look for vocabulary in class in order to communicate whatever topic it is that I'm asking them to communicate. So in this case, ChatGPT is giving me 10 specific questions that students can use that I'm going to use for content in conversations. I might plug them into a quiz. And then basically what I like to do is just copy the first question because a lot of the variables are the same. And then what I'll do if I'm creating content for a 75-minute class, then I'll take out the word vacation and replace it with the next conversation topic. And this saves just a lot of time. Before ChatGPT, you had to look online, or one had to look online for examples and then create them, and that was a lot of time and brain energy. And this will allow me as a teacher to provide students with more, let's say, tailored content and more of a variety of it as well, because I could ask it for 100 different questions and ask it to include every example of it as superlative and comparative adjective in English. And so this is just a super quick way for you to provide, like a teaching assistant level of service for you. So in summary, explicit or detailed prompting or requests that you're writing for ChatGPT, and the trial and error of writing prompts and then not getting what you wanted and then rewriting or editing the prompts, those two things will most likely help you generate the desired content that you are looking for.
Integrate technology.